Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Gambian beans. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Take about 2 cups of dried black-eyed peas and carefully sort through them to remove any small stones or debris. Give them a good rinse under cold water. Then, place the cleaned beans in a large bowl and cover them with plenty of cold water. Let them soak for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This step is crucial for a tender and evenly cooked result. Once your beans are nicely soaked, drain them completely and transfer them to a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add about 6 cups of fresh water and a teaspoon of salt. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the beans simmer gently. This will take approximately 1 to 1.5 hours, or until they are tender but not mushy. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. While the beans are simmering, let's prepare our delicious sauce. In a separate pan, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Stir in 1 can of diced tomatoes, which is about 14.5 ounces, and 1/2 cup of tomato paste. Season with 1 teaspoon of curry powder and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Let this sauce simmer gently for about 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to combine. Now for the grand finale. Once your beans are perfectly tender, drain any remaining cooking liquid. Carefully add the cooked beans to your simmering tomato sauce. Stir everything together gently, ensuring the beans are well coated in the flavorful sauce. Let it all simmer for another 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to truly marry. Serve your delicious Gambian beans hot, perhaps alongside some fluffy rice, crusty bread, or a fresh green salad. Enjoy this hearty and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.